Hey guys, how do you do today? Okay, for today's video, we are going to see Vedic maths. What is Vedic maths? Vedic maths or the past maths or the olden tricks used to perform calculations in a faster way. Complicated sums are performed in few seconds. That is why we are using Vedic maths nowadays. So now we are going to see multiplication of numbers using Vedic maths. Type 1. In type 1, you need to check for two conditions. The first condition is the first digits of two-digit numbers should be same. So here you have 2 and here also you have 2. So you can perform this type 1 operations. And you have to check for the second number. Here you have 3 and here you have 7. So when you add 3 and 7, it should be 10. 3 plus 7 gives 10. And the first digits of these two numbers should be same, that is 2. And when these two conditions satisfy, you can perform the type 1 operations. Okay, so 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So you have to multiply the last digits of the two numbers, that is 3 into 7 gives 21. And here you have to multiply the common number, that is 2 into 2. Here you have 2 and here you have 2. Instead of putting two 2's, you have to put single 2 and you need to put the next number. And the next number, not this number, not this 3. Rather, you have to put the next number of 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after 2 it is 3 and after 3 it is 4. So you have to put the next number, which is 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 gives 6. And 3 into 7 gives 21. So first you need to put the last digits, that is 21, and then you have to put the first digit, that is 6. So it is 621. That is the answer. Well, we have an example here, that is 71 into 79. So let me try this sum for you. You can also try the sum along with me. Okay, let me do the sum in few seconds. Yes, I have done this sum in few seconds for you. The answer is 5609. So how I did this sum? 1 plus 9 gives 10. The first condition is satisfied, and the second condition is the first digits of these two numbers should be same. Okay, so then if it is same, then you have to multiply the next number, that is 7 into 8, that is 5, 6. So instead of putting 9 alone, you have to put 0, 9. Because here you have put two numbers, so here also you have to put two numbers. So I have put 0, 9. It is 5609. That is the answer. Well, let's see type 2. You have 33 into 73. So some similarities between type 1 and type 2, where in type 1 you have the second digit of the two numbers. When you add, that should be 10. But here, the first digits of these two numbers, of the two numbers, should be, when added, should be 10. Okay, so it is 3 plus 7 gives 10. And you also have to check for another condition, that is the second digits of the two numbers should be same. And when it is same, what you need to do is you have to multiply 3 into 3, which gives 0, 9. Okay, there what you did is you have multiplied the next number. When the two numbers are same, you have multiplied with the next number, that is 3 into 4. But here you should not multiply the next number, rather you have to multiply these two numbers, that is 3 into 3. That is 3 into 3, which gives 0, 9, and 3 into 7, which gives 21. And also another step, you have to add 3, because 3 is common here. So you have the second digits common in both the numbers, and you have to add that 3 here. That is 3 into 7 plus 3, which gives 24. Okay, so what is the answer now? It is 2409. Okay, 2409 is the answer. And let me also explain you another example. Here you have 64 into 44. Let's do in few seconds. You can also try along with me. Which is 4 into 4, which gives 16. And 16 into 4, you have 24 plus 4. It is 2816. That is the answer. Next is type 3. So you have two two-digit numbers which are multiplied. And when you see these numbers, you can very well say that 27 and 33 are somewhat closer to 30. So when you minus or when you subtract 3 from 30, you will get 27. And when you add 3 from 30, you will get 33. So 30 minus 3 gives 27, 30 plus 3 gives 33, and you can take this as A, 30 as A and 3 as B. So when you put this, you will get A minus B and A plus B. So it is of the format A square minus B square. So what is A square? A is nothing but 30. 30 square is 900 and B is 3. 3 square is 9. So 900 minus 9, which gives 891. Well, let's do another example where you have 21 into 19. Okay, let me do it in a few seconds. Okay, so 21 into 19, where you can put 21 as 20 plus 1 and you can put 19 as 20 minus 1. So it is of the format A plus B, A minus B. So A plus B, A minus B, which is of the format A square minus B square. So what is A square, which is 20 square, which is 400, minus 1 square, which is 1, is equal to 399. This is the answer. Yes, let's say another type, which is type 4. In this type 4, you have the 100 base. So you need to remember it is 100 base, which is nothing but, here you have 3-digit numbers are multiplied. So here you have 103 into 108. So these two numbers are of 3 digits, right? So since here you have 1, you can very well say the base is 100. Okay, it is 100. So if it is 2 here, the 3-digit numbers which has 2 in the first digit, you can very well say it is of 200 base. 2 instead of 1, you can say 200 base. And if it is 303 into 308, you can very well say it is of 300 base. So here the base is 100. Since you have 1 here, the base is 100. Okay? So 103 you can put it as 100 plus 3, and 108 you can put it as 100 plus 8. Okay, so when you take 100 as common, 100 plus 3 and 8 in bracket, 3 plus 8, which gives 111, because 100 plus 11 gives 111. Okay, and here you have 3 and 8. You will need to multiply 3 and 8 here, so you will get 24. And here, why you are putting 111 into 1? Because the base is 1. So you have to multiply this with 1. If the base is 2, here if you have 2 and here also if you have 2, then you have to multiply this with 2. So 111 into 2. Okay. So here you have 1. So you're putting 111 into 1. So 111 into 1, which gives 111. You have to put these 3 digits in the front, and the rest is 24. You have to put 24 here. Okay, let's do another example here. So you have 121 into 120. So here you can put it as 100 plus 21, and here you can put it as 100 plus 20. Okay, so you can take 100 as common, 100 plus 21 plus 20, which gives 141. So here you have 21 and 20. You need to multiply 20 into 21, which is nothing but 420. Okay, so here it is 420. And how you will put this? 141, and after 141 you have to put only two digits, but here you have 4 digits. So how you will put this? You can put 20 here. Okay, and you need to add 4 with 1. So 4 plus 1, which gives 5. So 14520. This is the answer. Yes, let's move on to type 4, where 200 as the base. Okay, so when you find two numbers which has 3 digits or multiplied with 200 as the base, you need to perform this operation. Okay, the same operation for 100 base, okay, as that of 100 base, you can also perform it for 200 base. Okay, so here you have 207 into 205. So how you would perform the operation here? 200 plus 7. So here it is 200 plus 5, and taking 200 as common, 200 plus 7 plus 5, which gives 212 into 2. Since the base is 200, you have to multiply this number with 2. Okay, so when you multiply this number with 2, you will get 424. And here, so the last digits are multiplied, that is 7 into 5, you will get 35. So the answer is 424. You have put it from here, and then you have to put 35. Okay, and this is the answer. And this operation can also be performed for 300 base, 400 base, 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900. Okay, the same operations can be performed for these numbers, for these bases. Okay, so for 300 you have to multiply it with 3. For 400 you have to multiply this number with 4, and 500 you have to 5, multiply it with 5. For 600 6, 700 7, 800 8, 900 9. Well, let's go to type 5. Whenever you find two numbers with two digits or multiplied like this, you can perform this method. Okay, so here you have 93 and here you have 95. These two numbers are somewhat closer to 100. So what you can do is, when you subtract 100 minus 7, you will get 93. So 93 can also be written as 100 minus 7. And how you will write 95, which is 100 minus 5. So here, putting 100 here, minus 7 plus 5, okay, which gives 100 minus 12, which gives 88. Okay, so then you have to multiply these two numbers, that is 7 into 5, which gives 35. So what is the answer? Which is 8835. So putting 35 here and 88 here, you will get this answer. 8835 is the answer. Well, let's go to another example. You have, let's do it, and you can do it by yourself. So 96 and 94. How you will write it? And the answer is 9024 is the answer. Okay, so here 96 can be written as 100 minus 4 and 94 can be written as 100 minus 6. So taking 100 minus 6 plus 4, which is 10, which gives 100 minus 10 gives 90. So here you have to multiply 4 and 6. 6 fours are 24. So the answer is 2490. That is 9024 is the answer. Yes, let's go on to type 6. In type 6, you are multiplying any numbers with 11. Okay, so any numbers with any digits which are multiplied with 11. And how you perform this method? Okay, so first you are putting the last digit and the first digit as it is. Here you have 8, you're putting 8 here, and here you have 3 and you're putting 3 here. So in between you're going to perform addition operation. So 5 plus 8, which gives 13, and 2 plus 5, you will get 7. Since you have 13 here, you should not put 13 as it is. So only one digit you have to put. For that case, you have to add the 1 with 7. Okay, 1 with 7, you will get 8. And here you are adding 3 plus 2. Okay, 3 plus 2, which is 5. And you are putting 5 as it is. So what is the answer here? So 8. Last digit is 8, and the 10th digit you are putting 3, and the 100th digit you are putting 8, and the 1000th digit you are putting 5, okay, and then you are putting 3. So the answer is 35838 is the answer. So let's do on another example. So you have 11 into 431. Okay, so how you'll perform this in few seconds? You can also do it by yourself. Okay, the answer is 11 into 431, which is the last digit. I put it as it is, and 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So first number I have put as it is. So the answer is 4741. Yes, let's move on to type 7. So here you have 99 into 45. So it is not only 99, any numbers, that is any numbers which are multiplied with 99 series. For example, 99 or 999 or 99999 to n nines. So any digits which are multiplied by 99 series, what you can do is you can use this method. So in this method, what you're doing is, so here you have 99. So what you need to do is 99 minus 44. 44, which is nothing but 45 minus 1. So whatever digits that you have here, you have to subtract 1 from this number. Okay, so when you subtract 1 from this number, you will get 44. So 99 minus 44, which gives 55. Okay, so that 55 you can put here. And what is this 44? And this 44, which is nothing but 45 minus 1. Okay, 44. This 44. So the answer is 4455. Okay, so 99 minus 44, which gives 55, you are putting here, and 45 minus 1, which is 44. So you are putting 4455 as the answer. So let's do another example. You have 99999 into 45. Okay, so how you will perform in few seconds. You can also do it by yourself. Let me try it for you. Okay, the answer is 4499955. How did I do it? Okay, so you have 5 nines here. So I'm putting 59 minus 44, which is 41 minus 1 is nothing but 44. So when you subtract these 9s with 44, you will get 99955. Okay, so how did I put this 44? Which is nothing but 45 minus 1, you will get 44. So the answer is 449955. That is the answer. Yes, now let's move on to type 8. So in type 8, you are going to see any 2-digit number multiplications, or any 3-digit numbers multiplication, or any 4-digit number multiplication. Okay, so here we are going to see 2-digit numbers multiplication. Okay, so how you will perform this in an easier way or in a faster way? You need to remember this symbol. Okay, so this line which indicates 6 into 8. Okay, and this cross which indicates here 4 into 8 plus 5 into 6. Okay, and this last line indicates 4 into 5. Okay, so you should always remember this when you multiply any two-digit numbers. Okay, So 6 into 8 gives 48, and 4 into 8 plus 6 into 5, which gives 62. Okay, and then 4 into 5, which gives 20. So how you will put it here? So you are putting 8 here, and you are adding this 4 with 62. So when you add 62 plus 4, which gives 66, so you are putting only 6 here, and the remainder is 6, and you are adding 6 with 20, so which gives 26. So 2668 is the answer. Okay, so let's do another example, so which is 37 into 24. So how you will perform this operation, how you will perform this multiplication. So 7 into 4, which gives 28, and 3 into 4, which is 12, 12 plus 7 into 4, which is 14, 26, and 6. So you are putting 8 here, and 2 plus 28, which is 28 again, 8 here, and 2 plus 6, which is 8. So the answer is 888 is the answer. Yes, now we are multiplying two 3-digit numbers. Okay, so here you have 3 digits, and here also you have 3 digits. So when you are multiplying any three-digit numbers, what you can do is you have to always remember this symbol. Okay, so the first line, which indicates 1 into 2, and the second cross symbol, which indicates 3 into 2 plus 3 into 4, and the third symbol, which indicates here 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3. Okay, so all the directions. And next is cross symbol, which indicates 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1. Okay, and next the line indicates 2 into 1. Okay, so when you are multiplying like this, what you will get, 1 into 2, which gives 2. So you are putting 2 here, and then cross 3 into 2, which gives 6, 3 into 1, which gives 3. So 6 plus 3, which gives 9. So you are putting 9 here. And then this symbol. So which means 2 into 2, 1 into 1, plus 3 into 3, which gives 14. So you should not put 14 as it is. You have to put only 4 here. You have to keep the remainder, and the remainder you should add it with the next number. Okay, so for that you are putting only 4 here, and you are multiplying this. So since you have this cross symbol, you are multiplying 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1. So 2 into 3, which is 6, and 3 into 1, which is 3, which is 9. Okay, the answer is 9. And you are adding this 1 with this 9, so it is 10. So you are putting only 0 here, so it is 0, and keeping 1 as a reminder. You are multiplying 2 into 1, since you have this line, 2 into 1, which is 2, and 2 plus this 1, which gives 3. So the answer is 30492. And let's do an example, which is 248145. So how you will write it? So first you have to multiply like this, then, and then, and then, and then. Okay, so it is 8 5s of 40. You are putting 0 here, 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 4 8s are 32. So it is 52. 52. So you are putting 2 here. And 2 5s are 10. Plus 1 8s are 8. Plus 4 4s are 16. Which is nothing but 34. Since it is 52, you have to add this 4. So 4 plus 52, which gives 6. So it is not 2, it is 6. So here you have 34. You have to add this 5 with 34, which is 39. So you are putting 9 here. So now 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 4s are 4, which is 12. 12 plus this 3, which is 15. So you are putting 5 here. And the 1 is the remainder. So 2 into 1, which is 3. 3 plus 1, 3. So 2 into 1, 2. Sorry. 2 into 1, 2. And 2 plus 1, 3. So the answer is 35960 is the answer.